Imagine that you sold million-dollar products before the big brands even knew they existed. It's actually easier than you might think. I'm going to show you in this video. Normally, you'd have to spend dozens, maybe hundreds of hours searching for these products, researching them, comparing them, and deciding which ones to sell. Now, by that time, the big brands, of course, have caught on and it's too late. So what's the secret? I'm going to show you exactly how we found these 3 tiny products that are guaranteed to sell in 2025. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to find more. This is the doorbell that your grandkids will have, and it's already making over 145 grand every single month, with a crazy 456% growth over the last 2 years alone. Let's talk about the AI doorbell. Now, these are smart video doorbells that are enhanced with AI. They've got features like facial recognition, motion detection, and real-time alerts to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and other objects. Now you got the product, let's talk about the demographic. First, you're gonna sell this one to remote workers and frequent travelers, people who always have to keep an eye on their home while they're away. These doorbells let them monitor packages, visitors, or really just any unexpected activity while they're gone. Second demographic is just homeowners in general. Specifically, these tech-savvy homeowners are gonna be some of your best customers. They prioritize home security and convenience because they've got families and belongings to protect. The great thing about them is that they're already comfortable with this smart connected tech because usually they've already got smart locks, thermostats, cameras, you name it. Now, another huge demographic a lot of people might forget about is small business owners. The people who have a small business or a storefront, they don't have a ton of money to hire a bunch of security. They need something smart and safe to monitor their business while they're gone. Now, if you're gonna sell this product, you do need to know how to position it in the market and how to create winning ad content. That's what we're gonna go into next. We analyzed a whole bunch of UGC and ads so you know exactly what you need to put in your creative. Here's what they all had in common. They all mentioned the HD video quality of the camera. It's an important thing that people care about a lot. Of course, they all mention the use of AI so that you never miss any activity. They have 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi, so you're always connected. And super important, they're easy to set up. Again, this one's already pulling in over 145K every month with a small amount of sellers. So this is your sign to start selling the AI doorbell in 2025. Next up, this is the pet hair remover to end all others. It's already pulling in over 12K per month, and in the last 2 years, it's got 99x growth, meaning that you're gonna get in on this trend really early on. Let's talk about the pet hair remover glove. Now, if you haven't seen this one before, it's basically a glove you put on and it helps you remove hair from areas like car interiors, carpets, sofas, beds. You get the idea. So who is this one for? It might seem obvious, but hang on a second. First off, pet owners. Long-haired cats leave beds, clothes, scratch posts, everything just covered in hair. Now, if you've got a dog and a car, then you know exactly how much of a problem this is to have it just cover the interior of your car. Unlike car washes or pet grooming services, most people don't want to buy the expensive car vacuums or high-powered solutions that normally would solve this problem. Also, this glove is reusable. It creates less waste, and it's more effective at cleaning than almost any other solution on the market. Now, there are a lot of pet hair cleaners out there, so the way that you market this one really has to cut through the noise. So, what should you put in your ads to accomplish that? As they all should, winning ads show cute pets in the first few seconds as a visual hook. Then they demonstrate how versatile the product is by using it on a bunch of different surfaces. And always be sure to show how the alternatives don't work as well as the product that you're marketing. And lastly, always show how they're easy to clean and they are reusable, so they're sustainable. Now you have all the information that you need to start selling this product and making money before the big brands. Finally, this supplement is going to keep you young and full of energy, at least as much as current science allows. It's had a 304% growth in the past 2 years alone, pulling in almost $190,000 every single month. They've also got a super solid 4.5 out of 5 rating, which means this one is here to stay. Let's talk about NAD powder. NAD is a coenzyme found in all living cells. It's involved in energy production, DNA repair, and healthy aging. Supplementing NAD is believed to enhance cognitive performance, boost your energy, and promote longevity. And it's important to note that other products that we've found that had the same type of benefits absolutely exploded. So you've got your next winning product, let's find your customers. First up is athletes. They need to be at the top of their game and they're always looking for a new supplement to help them get there. Therefore, a supplement that provides energy and longevity is a must. Second is biohackers. hipsters, longevity seekers, and anybody who's really interested in advanced nutraceuticals. These people are either aware of NAD because of their own research or because of celebrity endorsements. And being able to use the same supplement as a celebrity at a fraction of the cost is intriguing. And it's perfect for marketers like you because celebrities are already doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You can actually just repurpose clips of these celebrities for your own ads. Another big demographic is aging individuals, anybody who's experiencing a loss of energy, cognitive decline, or any age-related energy dips at all. Aging is a scary thing. I mean, it's why so many products making millions and billions of dollars are centered around anti-aging. So a supplement like this, backed by science, is a huge alleviator of anxiety. It's important because this is also an easy one to slip into your daily routine. People are busy, so it's easier for them to commit to a habit change when it's something that they can easily integrate into a habit they've already got. So how can you market this one to start making cash tomorrow? Ads really emphasize how NAD plays a role in energy and longevity using figures of authority. When you're promoting products like this, it is really important to have a trusted face. And while it's a little shameful, sometimes celebrities and scientists have the same level of trust with their audience. For example, usage by celebrities like the Kardashians or Biebers. I mean, most of the treatments that these celebrities use are way out of the scope of what normal people can afford, but this is one that everybody can afford, so it's a super attractive option. And as always, before and afters are gonna sell any product, including this one. So having people talk about how much energy they have after supplementing this one, super important. This is an accessible, low-effort product that everybody can benefit from, so don't miss out on this trend. Now that's it for today. We have hundreds more trending products to show you, so if you like this video, please consider hitting subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have a specific niche that you're looking for a trending product within, drop that niche in the comments, and I'll give you at least one trending product totally free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.